NSX does have the JDM gear set conversion. In the US, Acura NSXs, gears 2, 3, and 4 on the 5-speed were a little bit longer because the designers thought the country's a lot bigger, there's a lot more highway driving, you're gonna want to do a little bit less shifting, whereas in Japan and Europe, it's a lot more mountainous, things are a little bit closer together, and so you want to have a little bit tighter gearing for a more engaging feel. On USDM NSXs, when you top out first gear, you actually, and shift into second, you actually end up out of VTEC, just because of the way the gearing's set up. The 5-speed gear set is probably one of my favorite mods of the car. Top one being the exhaust, of course, you know, you got to have the right sound. Second, for me, maybe the suspension, a little bit stiffer, got to be low to the ground. And third is the shifting and driving feel. Doing a 3-2 shift on the freeway is a lot closer, a lot tighter, a lot more fun. Whereas before it was a little bit more long-winded. You feel like you're really winding out the gears. So we'll do a little first gear pull here and see what it's like. Man, that's fun. So we made it, parked in one piece. Man, that was a lot of fun.